Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel, and today we are going to talk about single line of text attribute in entities which can be used as a email or URL option. So for common fields of text area, that is this, if I enter here any email address, it will not validate whether only the employee name was required or this was not required. Okay, at the rate is not an employee name. So for we have to check the validation when we are going to uh, enter some define some attributes in our entity form, and they must be of some specific pattern. Without that pattern, the values must not be accepted, otherwise it will lead you to another challenge, that is data cleansing, if you left these fields unattended or unaddressed. So for that purpose, what we do, we use a single line of text with formatted column. Okay, so for that purpose we are going into settings. This is a biodata form. This is a biodata form of entity name. So if I go into customizations and customize the system, here you can see that the entities here are this one. If I select only custom entities, here you can see that biodata form is there. I'm going to click it, and in biodata form I'm going to click on fields. Here right now, if we click on custom fields, these are some of the fields that have been created as custom fields. So I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to enter here the email value. This field will be required to enter the email, so it would be a single line of text, and fields format type will be email. So if we select the email, the ultimately all the values that will be entered in this field, that is we are creating just now, the values will be accepted only if the values are in the form of valid email address. Otherwise, if you enter simple text or any number, it will give you some caution or errors. Okay, so for that purpose, formatting is used. So we are going to click on save and close. We are also going to create one more field, that is URL, that is also used. We will select here URL. So in format there is a email, text area, URL, ticker symbol, and phone. So in URL, only whatever the text you will write will be converted into URL. So I'm going to click on save and close. After that, I'm going into forms, and in forms I'm going to add these two values, these two attributes into the main form. So I will click on here, and I will add email, and I will also add the URL here. Okay, after adding it, I will click save and publish the form. Finally, I will publish all customizations. After publishing all customizations, I am going to refresh our main page, and in our main page I am going to select the uh, custom module and biodata forms. Right now I'm going to click on new to create a new biodata form. I will enter the name. Decile is my employee name. His date of birth is, let's say, 16th August is his date of birth. Now if I enter here any number, it will not accept that value. It will give me a caution that you must enter a valid value. Similarly, if I enter HLTF underscore tech and leave it, it will again tell me that you must enter a valid email address. So this is the valid email address. Now it is giving me no option, no caution, because the value is updated. Similarly, if I write here anything, that is HLTF underscore tech.com, and if I enter it, you will notice that the value that is entered is auto configured with HTTPS. So in this way you can define your email and URL formatting in the forms. And please remember, it is very essential that whenever you are designing a form and defining any attributes, you must define the proper format in which it will be, in which the data will be entered by the users. Otherwise, after making the system public and making it public for all the users to interact, soon you will have to face another challenge, that is data cleansing, because the users will enter the garbage value in that fields, because there will be no restriction on that fields, and many users will put the garbage value. So whenever you will be compiling the data or compiling the reports, fake entries will come that will ultimately make your reports fake. I've already gone through that challenge. That's why I'm telling you about my practical experience that I've faced in my while configuring one ERP solution in an organization. I didn't put the validations or checks on these fields that were single line of text. Ultimately, it results to a disastrous values. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And who are my new visitors, please subscribe my channel. I need subscribers and enjoy watching more videos. I thank you all.